Welcome back to my new video. This video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own plugins in Kubernetes using the Kubectl CLI. Okay, so let's get started. I'm already in my terminal and I've created some Kubernetes clusters on Azure. So I'm going to check our Kubernetes cluster. So I'm going to say kubectl get nodes. Okay, so I have 2 nodes running. Let's check also if I have some ports running. Get ports -o white. Okay, I have some, how many? 5 of them running. So instead of typing get ports all the time, I want to create a kubectl shortcut, okay, that I'm just going to say kubectl port, and then it will give me the names of all the ports that are currently available in my clusters, especially in the default namespace. Okay, so I have like all these names available to me. Okay, so that is what we are going to do. So let's get started. So I'm going to create a folder called plugins. Okay, and then I'm going to cd into it plugins. We don't have any file in there. So I'm going to create a file called let me just call it make.sh. Okay, and then I'm going to say vi make.sh. I'm going to edit it, and inside it I'm going to say sudo okay, just type sudo change mod chmod. We're going to call it kubectl-port. Okay, and then I'm going to create another one called copy kubectl-port, and then I'm going to copy this to this location, local bin directory. So I think that is all we need in that file. So I'm going to close that. So as you can see, the content of make is just these 2 commands. Okay, and I'm yet to create this file. Okay, so before we start, I'm going to make this make.sh executable. Okay, so I'm going to say chmod +x, and then I'm going to say make.sh. So currently, as you see, the color is in red, meaning that it's executable. You can also see here that it's executable. Okay. I'm going to create another file, which is going to be, which we are going to call kubectl port. So take notice of the naming convention. Each time you have to create the name of your plugin according to this style. The kubectl is going to start, and then the hyphen, and then the port. The port is going to be the name of your command, I would say. Okay, so make sure that you name it accordingly. Okay, so let's create that file. I'm going to say touch kubectl port sh, and then I'm going to say vi kubectl sh, and then I'm going to enter this kubectl command, but let's make this a bash script bin /bash, and then I'm going to type kubectl get port, and then the output is coming from JSON path is equal to quote dot items square bracket star, meaning that we want to get every item in that list dot metadata dot the name of that port. Okay, then we close the quote. So this is all we need to get the names of our port in our cluster. Okay, so that is all. Let me close that as well. You see, so these are the two files we have in the directory. So I'm going to make, I'm going to copy this over without extension. So I'm going to copy this kubectl-port.sh to kubectl-port without any extension. Okay. So as you can see, we have it without extension sh. Okay. So if I run this cat make, if I run this make.sh, it's going to make this file executable, and then at the same time it's going to copy it from this copy this file, the executable file, to this location. Okay, so that is all we are doing in this make.file. You could as well ignore this part and then just run these two commands and you are done. It doesn't have to be in a sh file. Okay, so I'm going to run the make.sh. So it's asking me for a password. I'm going to enter my password from my computer. If you don't have any password authentication on your local machine, that is fine. Okay, so we are done. We've done creating our how do you call it, our plugin, our Kubernetes plugins. So if we say which port, which kubectl-port, you see, this is the location of our executable. Okay, so remember again, the naming convention is very important. Okay, so once we are done, we can say kubectl get port. You see, so that is a long way. So if I know kubectl, just type port. You see, we have all the names. You see, this is 2J, which is this one. And then we have 25, which is the second one. We have NN. We have MF, which is this one. And then HT, which is the last one. So this is how you can create your own plugins to do simple stuff for you instead of typing long commands in the kubectl CLI. You can just write your own plugins and then it works for you. It's very simple, very straightforward. Let me know in the comment section below if you have any issue creating it. I can help you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.